How to find the quadratic equation given a graph. First is identify its vertex. So in here, the graph is opening downward. The vertex is the highest point here. So let's label that vertex as V, and it has coordinates H, K. Which is 0, 5. Next to identify is any point on the graph. Let's have this point, and let us denote that as point P with coordinates x, y. And in here, it is 2, 1. Now, we will use this equation y is equal to a times x minus h quantity squared plus k. Substituting values of h, k, and x, y into this equation, we now have 1 equals a times 2 minus 0 squared plus 5. Simplifying the equation, we have 1 equals a. 2 minus 0 is 2. Squared is 4. And we have there plus 5. We have 1 equals 4a plus 5. Let's now flip the sides of the equation and we write it as 4a plus 5 equals 1. We now have 4a equals 1 minus 5. 4a equals negative 4. Divide both sides by 4. Since the numerical coefficient of a is 4, we divide both sides by 4. And 4 divided by 4 is 1. So we have here a equals negative 4 divided by 4 is negative 1. Since we now have the value of a, we go back to this equation and we substitute the value of a, the value of h, and the value of k, leaving behind y and x. So we now have y is equal to a, which is negative 1, times x minus h, which is 0, squared, plus 5, the k. Simplifying, we have y equals negative 1, and then x minus 0 is x. So we have x squared plus 5. We don't have to write the 1 in here. Therefore, the equation of this graph is y equals negative x squared plus 5. To check and verify if our equation is correct, let's get the vertex V. So you can see in here x is 0. Let's see. Negative 0 squared plus 5, is that equal to 5? Yes. How about point P? If x is 2, negative 2 squared plus 5 is 1. Yes, y is 1. There you have it. How to find the quadratic equation given its graph. Thank you.